Wait, Paul, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Why do you sound like a robot when you speak English?
What? I do not sound like a robot.
Yesterday you said, I am going to consume food now.
That sounds correct.
No, Paul, that sounds like a machine.
Oh, no.
Don't worry, today we fix that. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul, and apparently I speak like a robot.
Just a little bit.
Okay, I'm ready to improve.
Perfect, because today we are learning something very powerful.
What is it?
50 daily English sentences you must know to sound natural.
Wow, 50? That sounds like a lot.
Don't worry, we'll learn them in a fun and easy way. Okay, Paul, let's start with very simple daily sentences.
I'm ready.
Imagine you meet a friend. What do you say?
Hello, how are you?
Good. That's number 1. How are you?
Easy.
But native speakers also say, how's it going?
Oh, that sounds cooler.
Yes, it's more natural. Now, what if someone asks you, how are you?
I say, I am fine.
That's okay, but more natural is, I'm good, or pretty good.
Pretty good. I like that.
Now, imagine you didn't hear something.
That happens a lot.
Instead of saying what, say sorry or can you repeat that?
Oh, what sounds rude?
Yes, sometimes. Now, let's go to daily life.
Okay,
Morning time. You wake up. What do you say?
I wake up.
Good, but you can also say, I just woke up.
Oh, that sounds real.
When you are busy, say, I'm a bit busy right now.
That is useful. I am always busy, or I pretend to be.
Honest, Paul. Now, food time.
My favorite topic.
If you like something, say, it's really good.
Or I can say, this food is very delicious.
That's okay, but shorter is better. It's so good. If you don't like something, say, I'm not a fan of this.
That sounds polite.
Yes, very polite. Now, let's talk about plans.
Okay.
If you want to do something, say, I'm thinking of going out.
Thinking of going out. Nice.
If you are not sure, say, I'm not sure yet.
I use that a lot in life.
Same here. Now, let's make it more real.
I like real situations.
Imagine this. You and I are planning to meet.
Okay.
I say, are you free today?
I say, yes, I'm free.
Good. Or more natural, yeah, I'm free. Now I ask, what time?
Any time is fine.
Perfect. That's another sentence. Anytime works for me. Now, small daily phrases.
I'm ready.
Give me a second. Just a minute. No problem.
Oh, I hear no problem a lot.
Yes, it's very common. Now, let's add emotion.
Okay.
If you are surprised, say, really?
Or, oh my God.
Yes, but keep it simple. If something is funny, say, that's funny.
Easy.
If something is difficult, say, that's hard.
My English journey.
But you're improving. Now, let's do a mini story.
Oh, I love stories.
Yesterday, I went to a cafe.
Okay.
The waiter gave me the wrong coffee.
Oh no.
So I said, excuse me, this isn't what I ordered.
That sounds very useful.
And the waiter said, I'm so sorry.
Good response.
Then I said, it's okay.
Nice and polite.
See? Simple sentences, real situation.
I like this method.
Now, let's do a role play.
Yes, my favorite part.
You are calling me.
Okay. Hey, Emily, how's it going?
Pretty good. What about you?
I'm good. Hey, are you free today?
I'm a bit busy right now.
Oh, no problem. Maybe later?
Yeah, that works.
Great, let me know.
Sure.
Wow, that felt real.
Exactly. That's how natives speak. Now, let's add a small problem.
Uh-oh.
Imagine you are late.
That happens a lot.
You arrive and say,
I am late.
better, sorry, I'm late.
Ah, polite again.
And you can add, traffic was crazy.
Even if it's not true?
Maybe sometimes. Now, someone asks you something but you don't know.
My favorite situation.
Say, I have no idea.
Perfect.
Or, softer, I'm not sure.
That sounds safer.
Now, let's quickly go through more sentences.
Rapid fire. Let's go.
Sounds good. That makes sense. I get it. Let's do it. Why not? That's true. I agree. I don't think so.
Wow, these are very useful.
Yes, these are daily English sentences.
And they're so simple.
Exactly. You don't need big words.
No more robot English.
Yes, no more consume food.
Hey, I liked that sentence.
Maybe for a science class. Okay, quick recap.
Let's do it.
Today we learned natural greetings, simple daily sentences, polite expressions, real-life conversation.
And we practiced with role play.
Exactly.
I feel more confident now.
That's the goal. Now we have a question for you.
Yes, your turn.
In your daily life, which English sentence do you use the most?
Write it in the comments.
Yes, and try to use one new sentence from today.
And if you enjoyed this video,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
especially your robot friends.
Paul,
Just kidding.
thank you so much for watching.
Keep practicing every day.
And remember,
Speak simple, speak naturally.
see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.